Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run a Chkdsk scan on your Windows 10 computer using the command prompt. So if you want to periodically check for system integrity issues, and you want to see if it can actually go ahead and resolve the problems, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys the command as well as just showing you guys the process of it running. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search magnifying glass, type in CMD. Best result should go back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now, like I said, I will have this command in the description of my video, guys. You can paste it in as well into the command prompt. The final letter is going to be the drive letter that we're checking here, which in my case is the C drive. You may have a different drive letter you want to scan, which is fine, but I'm actually just going to type it in because it's a pretty short command. So CHK DSK space /F space and then type in the drive letter. So in my case, it's going to be the C drive and then a colon. So again, CHK DSK space /F space and then your drive letter, and then type a colon after that. No spaces in between the drive letter and the colon. Hit enter. Chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Tap the Y key and then hit enter. So close out of here, restart your computer and let the scan begin. And there you go, guys. Should be simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.